Hello everybody. Okay guys, here's a new project. This is an LCD screen with accelerometer, and it's an MPU6050. We did a project earlier on, but this is slightly different. I just wanted to bring the value of the accelerometers on the screen, and you can see that when you change it, accelerometer and the gyroscope. So this is the result. Obviously, there is more data can be put on, but I mean, you can only put so much in a LCD screen. But there we are, guys. This thing works beautifully. Okay, thank you very much for watching.